Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. I'm going to take a break for a week. My son is going to graduate from kindergarten. I'm kind of running out of time. I have a question as a parent today. If you're a parent and if you have worried about what your child is good at, please share with me how you find it out. I'm trying to let my kids have many experiences. I know I shouldn't do this, but they enjoy almost all of the activities. But when I see other kids doing better, I worry a little bit and question myself if I'm doing the right thing. Some parents teach really well at home, and in that case, kids are very smart. I try to do my best, but obviously it's not easy and it takes time. I hope you get what I mean. If I'm spending money for what they're not good at, but as a parent, I'm kind of stumbled and sometimes I force my kids to do their homework instead of playing games. That's obviously correct. But when I'm doing this every day, I feel guilty because I have to tell them you shouldn't do something while they are enjoying playing games. So anyway, quite recently I stumbled how to find out what kids are good at. If you have any advice, please let me know in the comments field. I'm living in Japan, and if you are living in other country, how parents in different countries treat kids to find out what they're good at. I haven't even edited my winter break videos. Spring break is coming soon and maybe I'm gonna get a chance to edit the video soon. Hopefully I will see you in the next cooking video.